Hey, what's up, YouTube, and welcome to Adam's Universe. I'm Adam Rahman, and this is my YouTube channel. All right, so today I got some for you guys. So make sure you smash that like, hit the subscribe button. Don't do your crypto taxes until you watch this video. All right, so right now we're gonna head over to my studio, and I'm gonna show you guys what I have.
If you're into cryptocurrency, you know how exciting trading can be. But when tax season comes around, things can get complicated fast. Wondering how to report your crypto gains and losses without spending hours on calculations? Meet Koinly, your all-in-one cryptocurrency tax reporting solution. Koinly is a powerful crypto tax platform designed to make tax reporting simple and stress-free. Whether you're a casual trader, a DeFi enthusiast, or a professional investor, Koinly helps you track your transactions, calculate gains, and generate tax reports in minutes. Getting started is easy. Just connect your exchange account, wallets, or blockchains with Koinly. It automatically imports your transactions and categorizes them for you. No more manually tracking every buy, sell, or swap. With Koinly, you get features like automated transaction tracking, real-time portfolio insight, and tax reports tailored to your country's regulation. It supports FIFO, LIFO, and other account methods, making tax compliance a breeze. Koinly offers a free plan for tracking your transactions, a premium plan for full tax reports. Plus, they have an affiliate program where you can earn commissions by referring others. By using my referral link in the description below, you can sign up to the Refer a Friend program and start generating passive income. And I'll earn a small commission to help support my channel and bring you more great content. It's a win-win. So go ahead, sign up today and simplify your crypto tax reporting. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crypto tips.